What's the deal with Chris Rucks? No, you're emphasizing the wrong words. It's what's the deal with Chris Rucks? That's exactly what I said. It's what you said, sure, but the way you said it was wrong. But the way you said it was wrong. You're like a meme. Okay, whatever. It's What's the Deal with Chris Rucks, a YouTube series where I speak with experts on all sorts of consumer-friendly topics, including shopping hacks. I do product reviews, I share how-tos, and a whole lot more. Share how-tos and a whole lot more. That's you. That's like a perfect impression. I don't sound like that. Share how-tos. That's not how I sound. OMG, you just did it again. Uncanny. Join us on YouTube weekly for What's the Deal with me, your host, Chris Rucks. Oh, I get it. You're the host. What's the Deal with Chris Rucks? New episodes weekly, brought to you by Brad's Deals, the safest place to shop on earth. What's the deal with Chris Rucks? No.